So let me go ahead and hit play here. Okay, cool. If you may have known, it feels like there's so much notes going on, so much going on in the beat right now in terms of the melody itself and notes, that it's kind of hard to like have a feel in the song overall. You know, there's the chords that's changing. There's a synth melody, which is the lead melody that's going downwards, and you got the bass as well that's doing downwards notes as well. And pretty much with rap or hip hop, like you don't really want to overdo too much of that. So I muted some notes here. Maybe I could mute more if I need to, but check it out. I hit play again. I can even mute that. But you can see how by muting these notes, these passing tones, how much free space you have for your voice in general just to fit in there. So we got doom 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 doom. What if I just it pretty much, you know, removing those doom doom in the beginning of each of the measures gives a different rhythm, but it also takes out the movement of the bass from being, you know, pretty fast. Another thing you could try doing is just straight up taking the first notes and then making those longer as well. So let's try that. Make it as long. So if you feel like your beats sound too weird or whack, or feels like there's too much going on, chances are it's a little bit of that, you know, Wolfgang to Mozart thing, you know what I'm saying? Well, they're the same thing. Basically, too many notes. Cut it down, try to mute some, try to lengthen some, and double check your scales, make sure you're within the scale, you know, those type of things.